Topic: Gardening. Level A2. Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about a relaxing and rewarding hobby, gardening. Gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about connecting with nature, finding peace, and sometimes even growing your own food. Whether you have a big garden, a small balcony, or just a window ledge, you can create a little green space of your own. Gardening can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. Some people like to start with flowers, like bright sunflowers, colorful tulips, or cheerful marigolds. Flowers can make your space look and smell wonderful. Plus, they attract butterflies and bees, which is great for the environment. Others like to grow vegetables and herbs. Imagine picking fresh tomatoes, basil, or mint right from your garden to use in your cooking. It feels amazing to eat something you grew yourself. If you're new to gardening, start small. Maybe try planting a few herbs like basil, parsley, or mint. These plants are easy to grow and don't need too much attention. They can even be grown in a small pot on your kitchen windowsill. If you have more space, maybe try growing some lettuce or spinach. These are good beginner vegetables because they grow quickly and you can pick the leaves as they grow. Gardening also has many benefits for health. Spending time outdoors, feeling the soil, and seeing green leaves can make you feel relaxed and happy. It's a great way to reduce stress, especially after a busy day. Many people find that watering plants, removing weeds, and even just sitting in their garden makes them feel calmer and more focused. It's like a natural therapy that helps to clear the mind. Another benefit of gardening is that it teaches patience. Plants take time to grow, and sometimes you have to wait weeks or even months to see results. But that's part of the beauty of gardening, watching something grow slowly over time. It reminds us to slow down and appreciate each little step. You may start with a tiny seed, and with care, water, and sunlight, it becomes a strong, green plant. Each day, you'll see small changes, and that's very rewarding. Gardening can also be a way to make your home more beautiful. Even if you live in a small apartment, a few plants can make a big difference. Green plants bring life into a space, and they can make any room feel fresher and more inviting. If you don't have much natural light, try low-light plants like pothos or snake plants. They're very easy to care for, and they grow well indoors. Gardening is also a good way to help the environment. Plants help clean the air around us, and if you grow your own vegetables, you're reducing the need for plastic packaging from the grocery store. It's a small way to live more sustainably and make a positive impact on the planet. So, if you haven't tried gardening before, maybe start with just one plant. Choose something simple like a little basil plant and see how you feel. Take a moment each day to water it, check the leaves, and watch it grow. You'll be surprised how much joy a small plant can bring to your life. Gardening is truly a beautiful way to slow down, find peace, and add a bit of nature to our busy lives. Thank you for listening, and happy gardening! I hope this inspires you to start growing something, no matter how small. Remember, every garden begins with just one plant.